Yeah, bro.
Shall we go on a ride?
You mean a motorcycle ride?
Yeah.
Now,
Yeah.
I understand it's a beautiful looking day, but it only looks beautiful, bro. Check out the temperature outside. It's about 40 degrees Celsius. How can we go on a ride now, bro?
Oh. But 1 second. I have something for that. I have a solution.
You have a solution for this heat?
Yeah.
If I go out in this heat, my head is gonna blow up, bro. My head is gonna heat up so much that it's gonna blow up.
Bro, I have the solution, bro. Let me just get it. 3, 2, 1. Bye.
Huh? Where did you go, man? This dude always keeps tempting me for nice motorcycle rides and all that, but it's so hot. How the hell can we go on a ride? Huh? You're back?
Yeah.
And what the hell are you having in your hands, man? What is this?
This is a helmet AC.
Helmet? AC?
Yeah.
AC is supposed to be this big, which is in my bedroom.
Yeah, but this is a smaller AC for the helmet.
Buddies! So here we are with our new product named Helmet AC. I mean, it is not named Helmet AC, it's named Blue Armor, but we call it Helmet AC. I got it after watching my dear friend Blue Biker's video on YouTube, and here is the product. So here we go. I got this product named Blue Armor, but lovingly we call it Motorcycle AC, air conditioner, because this thing pumps in cold air into the helmet from here, and it has got the cooling unit right in front of it. And I got this after watching Blue Biker's video. He did a comprehensive review of this product. So I'll put the link in the description of my video to Blue Biker's video. You can watch that. And it goes this way. Let me first show how to put on this motorcycle AC onto your helmet. This way, you take it off, and the helmet, I'll put it down for now. This is the unit. It has got a strap which goes around your helmet, and it has got the front unit where it has got the intake of air. It is the air intake unit from here. This is the area to fill in water into the motorcycle AC. So you fill in water here, and while you're filling in water, you just have to make sure that you fill it very slow, because if you fill it fast, then air would get trapped inside and then water will not get filled. In case air gets trapped, you just hold it like this, move it up and down, and then fill in water again. So this is the water unit, and let me open up the top part. You open up the top part, and here is the on button. On button can be accessed right from the start, right from the top itself, right here. And you have the main cooling unit inside. It is also known as the filter. So this is the cooling unit which soaks in water and cools down the air that is passing through this unit. And the same air comes through these two nozzles and enters your helmet. Always remember, friends, your body can get hot, but in case your head gets hot, then it is not really a good thing. That is how heat strokes happen. So preventing your head from becoming too hot is the key to remain healthy and fit to ride a motorcycle in harsh conditions like this, in this kind of summer heat. Now, without wasting any time, let me show you all how to put on this unit onto the motorcycle helmet. Now, all that you have to do is just insert these two nozzles inside and then pull the strap back. It would be much easier if you have a table in front of you, but even without it, you can do this. So just pull it back this way. And the best part is that this strap has got very nice rubber or silicone kind of strips here. So these strips make sure that this strap actually grips your helmet, and also make sure that the strap does not scratch your helmet. Okay, so now I have put on the unit onto the helmet. And another thing also you can do is they have sent two sticky patches here. You can put those sticky patches here and put on the Velcro onto your helmet. But I'm not doing that right now because I'm still testing it. So once you do this, what you have to do is you have to go down to this area. This area has got open and close nozzle. So you turn the valve towards open. Once you do that, water from the unit of the water storage enters the filter, the air filter area, and then cools down the air filter and then cools down the air that is getting into your helmet. So I would suggest that only after putting on the helmet you turn this valve towards open, because if you do it beforehand and you tilt your helmet, then water could kind of leak from the unit. Alright, so now let's do something, that is testing. Let me take this helmet out to my motorcycle in this extremely hot conditions, and I have something for you, and that is I have a laser thermometer. Let me get that for you. Give me one moment. Here we go, right here in my hands. This is known as a laser infrared thermometer. So all that I have to do, in case I have to check the temperature of something, let me show the temperature of the floor right now. Okay, see the LCD monitor. It is 44 degrees Celsius, 45 degrees Celsius. That is how hot it is today. And it will be ideal conditions to check the performance of the helmet AC. I have a little tip for you friends. What you can do is, of course, you have to fill in water here, but not just that, I would say dip this unit into water, completely into water. So that way, it already would be soaked in water and you don't have to wait for this water from the unit to enter in here. Okay, let me show this unit to you. There is a fan in front here, and the moment we put on this button, the fan spins. You can hear the sound, correct? Alright, now let me first show the temperature of the motorcycle right now. 42, 43 degrees Celsius, 44 almost. Let me show the tank. Tank is unbelievably hot, 52 degrees, 53 degrees Celsius. Now I am going to shoot the laser into these nozzles and let us see the temperature. Alright. The temperature is showing 39 degrees Celsius. You see the difference? Temperature here 54, 55. Temperature here 39, 38 degrees Celsius. Now it is showing 38 because it is getting dissipated. All the cold is getting dissipated into the open atmosphere. But if you put this onto your helmet, let me show that to you. Now buddies, I'm putting on the helmet with the motorcycle AC. Alright buddies, so remember, when you put on this unit, keep the visor down. Don't keep the visor up, because if you keep the visor up, the air, hot air would enter your helmet. Alright, so now I'm putting on the motorcycle AC, and let me keep the visor as low as possible and then show the temperature to you all. Let it cool down a bit actually. Let it cool down for a minute and let me show the temperature to you later on. Alright buddies, so this is just after a minute or so. Let's check the temperature. $37, that is what my friend is saying from behind. Okay, let us see now.
35.
35, you see how rapidly it is cooling?
34.
34?
Yeah.
You see how rapidly it is cooling, and it's only been 1 minute. Now let us test this further. Let me keep the visor closed and let us go on for about 3 to 4 minutes and then see the temperature. Alright buddies, so it has been about 5 minutes now since I have been running the motorcycle AC, and let me show the temperature outside now. First, let me show the temperature outside. 55 degrees Celsius. It is very, very, very hot outside. Let me open up the visor right now and show the temperature to you.
32,
32?
32, 33.
Wow. Can you see it, Nitin, in the camera?
Yeah.
Now?
31, 31, 32.
Excellent, excellent.
30.
30. Wow. So buddies, here we go. Let me put off the AC right now. So buddies, this is the end of the video. In the next video, I'll put on this motorcycle AC and go out for a ride and do, a video where people would kind of notice me, the public reactions, the daily observations kind of a video. I'll do it, and I'll also let you know how this performs in traffic. But so far, my face and my head is remaining pretty cool, and I have showed it with evidence of my laser thermometer. So that is it, buddies. If you want to buy this product, I have a link in the description of this video. You can use that link and buy it. It does help my channel if you do it that way. And that is it, buddies. Thank you very much. If you're not subscribed to me, you're missing out on well over 640 videos. And if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. We are really, really tired right now. We better go inside and have a cold drink. Bye-bye.